Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this SUNPIN portable DVD player. The screen size is 15.6 inches and I got this from Amazon. It's on a spring sale, so it was like $20 off. So let's see how it looks like. So right off the case, it's packed really well. This heavy duty like air bag, bubble bag. Looks like a laptop. It's pretty big. Okay, let's remove the... So these are the contents of the box. It came with this warranty card, a user guide, and this might be the cord. So we got a remote. There's some cords. Like a charger for the car, which is nice. And then another, this is the adapter. So let's set this aside and let's look at the actual player. Okay. And this is the board. There's a mute button, USB SD card. I don't know where it goes. On and off mode, display language. So this is, it's pretty neat. I'm gonna try to plug it in to show you how it works. There's this adapter over here. Okay, so now it's plugged. Just peeked on the manual, and as you can see here, these are the buttons. So there's a lot of buttons here, and then the remote control buttons as well. Okay, so it's plugged, and the power button is this. It's on the right side of the portable DVD. You just have to slide it right to turn it on. So you can see it turned on. SUNPIN. So it says here, clean the disc with a clean, soft, and free cloth. And to open the disc holder, just press this button. There you go. There's actually something here. Oh, let me get that out. Okay, there you go. It says here SD card maximum flash drive supported 32 gig. Please remove this card before using. Okay. It says here to keep, we suggest to keep this card and put it back while you're not using the DVD player to protect the lens. So we'll put that back later. And let's try a DVD. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it. I don't think this plays a Blu-ray, but I'm just going to try. Let's see here. If it doesn't play, then I'll try a different disc. So as expected, the Blu-ray didn't work, so let's try something different. So here I have a Shrek DVD. Let's try if this works. Here's a Shrek. So this remote actually needs 2 AAA batteries, and it did work. So if you don't have batteries for the remote, I think you can use the buttons here. It worked. It is a really nice picture. It's very clear. So let's see here. Let's try out the buttons. Volume.
That was a lot of expectation to place on an 8-day-old.
It's the max. And this is the minimum. So that one is good. Let's keep it at 5. And this is pause, the pause button. Play. It works. Menu. Now the menu is not supported. Setup. Oh, there you go, the setup. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Just Language, not supported. Display. Okay, display off. Mode. Oops. Okay, so that's the mode. You can change it to DVD. It's gonna load again. Oh, that's when it's turning on and off quickly. USB SD card. DVD video detecting. That is when you use an SD card over here on the side. You can use an SD card. So to mute, you have to use this. And to stop. Oh, it's not supported. Okay. So I'm going to remove the DVD player now. I mean the DVD is Shrek DVD. And as instructed, put this disc back just to protect the lens. And let's close it. Oh no. It's playing automatically. Let's turn it off. Close it. And turn off the button here. And let's close it up and unplug it. So that is our video for today. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.